Hi friends, it's Donzella from Ms Donzella Cooks. And if you like easy, simple, budget-friendly recipes, check out my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks. I would love to have you join me in my kitchen. So like I said, if you like easy recipes, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen at Ms Donzella Cooks. But today, it's Tuesday, and so I thought since it's Taco Tuesday, we'll make soft taco fajita style. So here I have some chicken tenders that I've cut up in pieces and seasoned with some taco seasoning and a little garlic powder and some Mrs. Dash Mediterranean chicken blend and some onion powder. And then I also have our onions and peppers that we'll put in here. So let's get our chicken going. So we'll brown our chicken, get that started. And again, friends, if you like simple, budget-friendly recipes, because with groceries as expensive as they are this day and age, we need to stretch our budget and go into our pantry and refrigerator and see what we can find and put together a simple budget meal. And that's what my channel is all about. There's nothing fancy here, just simple home style cooking. So we're just going to keep browning our chicken here, and then I'm going to add the onions and peppers that I have sliced up. Nothing fancy. See if we get you closer here. There we are. Let's get this all stirred up, man. And like I say, the little soft taco fajita style. Okay. And it doesn't take long. You just want all your veggies to get tender. And you can season your meat ahead of time. Let it marinate a little bit in your taco seasoning. But you just want to put a little bit in there. And what I'm going to do, friends, now I'm going to turn up my heat just a little bit, and I'm going to add a little more taco seasoning, and I'm using the mild taco seasoning. And friends, no, I am not promoted by any of these companies. I just like their products. And so we'll just stir that around. And this is also good, friends, to put over rice, too. You can really stretch this out. So to this, we're going to add a little bit of water. We want to render it down just a little bit. Keep that going. Let's let that cook down. There we go. And we just want to let this cook out. And it doesn't take long. I used chicken tenders. You can use chicken breast. You can use chicken thigh that you've taken the meat off the bone, or use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can also use rotisserie chicken. Does not matter. Just use your chicken, season it up with some taco seasoning, fajita seasoning. Any of these works, because this is simple, working with what we have in our pantry and our refrigerator and our freezer. And just work with what we have. And I think I'm just going to add just a little bit more taco seasoning and a little bit more Mrs. Dash chicken grilling. I like the Mrs. Dash because the Mrs. Dash can give you a lot of flavor and not a lot of, no salt at all. Let's put in a little bit more onion powder, even though there's onions in here. And and the garlic powder. And let's let that cook out. Let's render it down. Let's keep cooking until it's rendered down. In the meantime, let's prep our plate for this. There we go, friends. Let's let that cook out. And I'm just using simple, regular flour tortillas. You can add any toppings that you like to your soft taco fajitas, I'm going to call it. You add a little cheese to the top. And you just keep cooking this down until your vegetables in here, or onions and peppers, are all tender. Your chicken is done. And sometimes what I'll do to make sure my chicken is done, I'll break a piece of the bigger pieces and check the inside to make sure my chicken is done. And friends, I'm just going to taste a little bit of this sauce to make sure got enough seasoning in here. So I'll do this just like this. That's really good. And sometimes I like to add just a little bit of sugar. To dishes that are a little spicy or citrusy, you know, it just balances the flavors out just a little bit. You won't even notice it's there. So friends, we're pretty much let this cook. Okay. There we go, because we don't want our chicken to fall apart either. We want to keep some of it on the chunky side. And this is what we're looking at, friends. Turn that off. And this is what your dish should look like. Let's get that up there close. See? Just like that. And friends, we're going to take some of this filling. I have my soft tortilla here. Let's take this off the stove. I have my soft tortilla shell here, friends. I'm going to plate this. Put some veggies in there. So friends, here we go. Like that. We'll put some cheese on here. Like so. All right, friends. And this is our soft taco fajita. Simple, easy, great for weeknights. You can add avocados. You can add like ranch or any of that to your soft taco fajita. Thank you, friends, for joining me in my kitchen. If you like more dishes like this, check out my channel. It's my YouTube channel at Ms Donzella Cooks for easy, soft taco fajita for Taco Tuesday. Have a blessed day, friends.